Hey there, and welcome to Echospeak English. Today, we're jumping into something super useful, how to talk about your hobbies. This is one of the best ways to kick off a conversation and really get to know someone. So let's dive right in.
Okay, so let me ask you a question right off the bat. What do you like to do for fun? Go on, think about it for a second. The cool thing is, by the time we're done here, you're going to be able to answer that question perfectly in English, I promise. All right, first things first, before we can build sentences, we need the building blocks, right? So let's learn some essential words to get us started.
Okay, here's our very first word, hobby. A hobby is just something you love to do in your free time. Let's say it out loud together. Ready? Hobby. Perfect.
Now, what if you have more than one? Easy. You just say hobbies. That's the plural. Let's give that one a try. Hobbies. You got it.
This next one is a big one. It's the verb like. You'll use this all the time to say you enjoy something. Come on, say it with me. Like. Okay, but what if you really enjoy something? For those things you're super passionate about, you use the word love. It's way stronger than like. Let's try it. Love. Next up, we have play. This is the word you'll use for sports, like football, for games, or even for musical instruments. Your turn. Play. And what about books or magazines? Well, for that, we use the word read. Give it a shot. Read. Awesome. So if you're sitting down to look at something for a while, like a movie or your favorite show on TV, the word you're looking for is watch. Let's hear it. Watch. And last but not least, for things like music or a podcast, you listen. And here's a little tip. That T in the middle is totally silent, so it's listen. Let's practice that. Listen. Fantastic. Okay, check it out. You've got the key words down. Now let's put them to work and start building some actual sentences. This is where the magic really happens. Here we go. A super simple, super useful sentence. I like reading. Can you say that? Let's try it together, nice and clear. I like reading. Remember how we talked about love being stronger? Here's how you'd use it. I love playing football. See that? It just shows so much more passion. Your turn. Give it a try. The great thing is, you can use this same pattern for tons of hobbies. Let's do a quick practice round. I'll say one, then you say it. Ready? I like watching movies. Now you. Okay, next one. I like listening to music. Go ahead. And one more. I like drawing. You're getting the hang of this. Okay, here's another fantastic phrase, especially when you want to talk about your absolute #1 hobby. You can say, my favorite hobby is reading. It's perfect for sharing what you enjoy the most. Let's all say that one together. My favorite hobby is reading. So, you've got the words, you've got the sentences. What's next? Putting it all together in a real conversation. Let's walk through a quick little dialogue. All right, so to kick off a conversation, you can ask this really simple question. For this part, I'll pretend to be you. Here's the question. What are your hobbies? Okay, now I'm switching roles. I'll be the friend. A typical answer might be something like, I like reading and playing football. Did you notice how they just use the word and to connect two hobbies? Super easy. Okay, back to you. How do you respond? You can say something friendly like, nice, I like watching movies. It's a great way to share a bit about yourself and keep the chat moving. And to keep that conversation going, your friend will probably ask a question back. Something like, what is your favorite hobby? And boom, you can answer with that great sentence we just learned. My favorite hobby is drawing. Okay, so now let's actually practice this. It's your turn to be you, and I'll be the friend. You can start things off by asking me that first question. You ready? Go for it. That was awesome. You did a really great job. So, we've learned the words, we've built the sentences, we've even practiced a conversation. Now, let's make it all about you. So, I'm going to ask you one last time. What is your favorite hobby? I want you to try and answer out loud right now using one of the sentences we practiced today. Is it reading? Watching movies? Maybe playing football? Whatever it is, you now have the words in English to tell the world. Seriously, fantastic work today. You are totally ready to start talking about your hobbies in English. Hey, if you want more lessons like this to help you speak with confidence, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.